Okay, is ABC equal to -1? I have no idea. Hopefully the statements will shed some light on this. So statement 1 tells us that A times B is -1. All this really tells us is that A or B is negative. Because if they were both negative, this would be a positive number. If they were both positive, this would be a positive number. So one of the two is negative and the other one is positive. It also has nothing about C, so we could have no way of knowing whether A times B times C is -1. So it's insufficient as it is. Get rid of this and get rid of this. Statement 2 tells us that B times C is 1. Again, just going on the basis of the signs, the two numbers together multiplied together give us a positive number, which means that either B and C are, let's see, how should I write this? They're basically positive, positive, or negative, negative, because either way, these two multiplied by each other would give us a positive number 1. On the other hand, it doesn't tell us anything about A, so it can't be sufficient. And we still don't get the actual numbers. So we can cross off 2 on its own. Now we have to evaluate the two statements together. So we know then that B and C are either positive, positive, and negative, negative. And then we have A. We know that then A is going to be the opposite of whatever B is, because one needs to be positive and one needs to be negative. So if B is positive, then A is the negative one. If B is negative, then A is the positive one. If we multiply these three things together, 2 positive times a negative would be a negative number. And these negative times negative would be positive, times another positive would be a positive number. So since we get one negative answer and one positive answer, there's no way that we can say for certain whether A times B times C would equal -1 because we don't know the signs of the individual numbers. So even in conjunction, the two statements are not sufficient. Answer choice E.